Hey guys, this is McRae, and I've got another tip that might help some of you. And looking on screen right now, we're in Wikipedia, and this handsome fellow on the right hand side is Dwight Eisenhower, the 34th President of America. And he used to have an approach to allocating time management, and how much time you should do and spend with particular problems. And it's affectionately known as the Eisenhower matrix. So it goes into quadrants. So as something would come in, he would allocate it a quadrant. For example, it might be urgent and important. Then he would do it straight away. It might be not urgent but important. Then he would plan for it. Or it might be urgent but not important. Then he would delegate it. Or it might be not urgent and not important, and he would probably eliminate it. Now, I'm sure in his day they used a good old-fashioned pen to eliminate things on a list. Nowadays, I'm not a fan of adding something to a list only to eliminate it. It doesn't seem to make sense. So the format I like to use, if I've just moved into a business or just taken over a project, is something like this. So it has the headings: the dump, delegate, important, urgent, and priority. So in the dump section, just get together with your team, your leadership team, or whoever it is, the stakeholders in that particular area. Make a list of everything that needs done. It might be 3 things, 4 things, 100 things, 1,000 things. It doesn't matter. Just dump it all in there. And then from that list, select what's urgent. Right? And when you have things that are urgent, no more than 5 things. And the reason you don't want any more than 5 things is that if you tackle and achieve 1 thing in a day, that's 5 days a week. 5 business days is a good number to work with. If it's not urgent, then it can go into the important section or the delegated section. So as you're allocating things, you want to identify what the most urgent thing is, then sift it and filter it into the important things and the things you can delegate to your team. From your urgent list, pick 1 thing and only 1 thing, because priority means it's the most important thing. So if you have too many things in your priority column, none of them are a priority. But if you get your entire team focused on solving 1 priority, it tends to get better results. All right, I hope that tip helps. The best place to get me is Mark McRae on YouTube. And if you go there, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, follow, or a comment. Thanks for listening, guys.